Little Miss got yogurt in her head. Let me see. Look up. Guess what today is now? You ready to get your hair washed?
Yes.
Yes. Lies. Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today I will be showing you my toddler's wash day routine. Yes ma'am, you're getting your hair washed today. Needless to say, my daughter is not a fan of wash day. I can't say that I blame her because I'm not either, but it has to get done. So I'm about to get right into what I use and what I do. But before I do, please subscribe if you haven't, leave a like for my ED Pie, and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. The first step in my toddler's wash day routine is pre-pooing. I cannot stress enough how much Eden does not like getting her hair washed, so I'm going in with a spray bottle filled with water to dampen her hair first, to kind of warm her up and ease her into what's about to happen. To pre-poo, I use coconut oil, and it is very effective on her hair. Applying coconut oil to her hair in general has helped with retaining moisture, but using coconut oil to pre-poo has made the detangling process a whole lot easier, which in turn makes her hair easier to manage overall. So here I am, liberally applying the coconut oil all throughout her hair. I pay extra close attention to the ends of her hair. Then I go in to lightly finger detangle. Well, the easy part is over, and now it's time for shampoo. I purchased these adjustable shampoo visors from Amazon back when Eden was a smaller baby, and they really do help with keeping the water out of her ears and her eyes. So in that regard, I definitely recommend purchasing a shampoo cap to make wash day at least a little bit easier on both you and your child. Look at her face. She already knows what's about to happen. Poor baby. So as you saw, I just adjust the cap, slide it over her head, and pull her hair through. To rinse her hair, I use this measuring cup from the dollar store, and it works. Hey, Mama. Sit down, baby. Come on. Look, baby. Hey. The shampoo that I'll be using is the Shea Moisture Mango and Carrot Kids Extra Nourishing Shampoo. This stuff smells amazing. The smell can be a bit overbearing if you are sensitive to perfumey smells, but it's more of a soft scent, so I like it. The shampoo gives off a very rich lather, and most importantly, it cleanses her scalp thoroughly without her hair feeling dry and stripped afterwards. Now I'm going in with the matching Shea Moisture Mango and Carrot Kids Extra Nourishing Conditioner to condition. It smells the same as the shampoo, and it also works very well in her hair. This conditioner has a very thick consistency to the point where it's very hard to get out of the pump, but once you finally do, it's nothing but goodness. The conditioner leaves her hair feeling very soft and moisturized, and it also has quite a bit of slip, which is great for detangling. The last step in Eden's wash day routine is detangling. I do this step while the conditioner is still in her hair, and I clip her hair off into smaller sections to make this process easier. I'm using a detangling brush that I also purchased from Amazon, and since I already finger detangled during the pre-poo step, I don't run into as many knots and tangles. After detangling, I clip her hair up and leave the conditioner in for about 5 more minutes before rinsing it out. So this concludes my toddler's wash day routine. I moisturized her hair using the LOC method during the styling process, and I ended up doing a wash and go. Stay tuned for that video along with more toddler hairstyle videos featuring my mini. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all you people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.